If equipped, Selec-Terrain gives you maximum four-wheel drive performance in different driving conditions. Selec-Terrain offers the following positions. Auto is for normal driving on hard surface roads. Auto provides smoother steering, better traction, and better handling. Snow improves traction and stability on cold, slippery surfaces. Sand improves traction and relieves the throttle management issues associated with off-road driving. Mud minimizes wheel spin on low traction surfaces. If equipped with air suspension, the level will change to Off-Road 1. Rock is for high traction off-road surfaces and comes in handy against low-speed obstacles. It is only available in four-wheel drive low range. If equipped with air suspension, the level will change to Off-Road 2 for better ground clearance. Keep in mind, you might notice some vibration, high-friction noise, or harshness when using some of these settings. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.